what's going on? So today's video is about my camera mount, and just decided to make one of these at home. I tried to find one online, but they're really overpriced, or maybe they're priced right for the amount of work it takes to make one, but I just couldn't justify, like, it was like $100, $150, $200. Yeah. So I went to Home Depot, got some wood, cut it up, glued it together. It's not the best looking thing in the world, but it's functional, and basically this mounts onto your headrest on the passenger side, so that it allows the camera to sit in between the seats. Just a long piece of wood cut in 3 places, glued together, a couple of rivets, and this attachment bolt is for the tripod head. This screws onto here, and the reason I made it the shape is so that the camera can be sort of in line with the main piece here, since the tripod head adds some height. So I added this piece of carbon here to reinforce the joint and sort of reduce flex. Some carbon pieces here and here, and these grooves are for the headrest rods, and then the bolts, they go from the back. And there's one more carbon piece that I made with some felt tape, and goes onto here. That's really it. It's super simple, and it cost me probably like 10 bucks at most. Well, plus the tripod head, so 30 bucks, give or take. So everything seems to line up perfectly. All right, then it's all set up. Let's go for a drive.